Is there any way we can make this to a burn out?
Yeah, just take it on full left and then just give it loads of beans. Stand out of the way.
Oh.
Donut! Whoa! Sorry. Wicked!
Hey guys, welcome back to another Vantage UK video. Today we have bought this beautiful RC car. I'm not sure what to call it, but it goes the speed of a Tesla, basically, 0 to 60. Well, it goes 60 miles an hour.
Yeah, with the 11.1 volt, which we have from the boat.
Yep.
So we are at, where are we?
We are at Churchdown.
BMX track.
Yeah, BMX track.
And we're going to unbox this bad boy.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. The grand reveal. Go. Drum roll, please. This thing can lift up. Now let's have a look inside. Whoa.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, let's take this thing out.
Hey guys, there it is. So it came with a 7.2 volt battery, but the man in the shop said if we use a 11.1 volt battery, it'll go 60 mile an hour. So let's give it a go.
Yep.
Hey guys, this is a very whoa, whoa, stop. Whoa. Just go easy with it. Whoa! I can't even see it, it's that sunny. What a monster! Whoa! 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 Where is it? I can't even see it. Right, let's have a little go.
Yeah.
Jeez! Look at it go! Let's get on the dirt track. Whoa!
Oh my god! Guys, we're gonna get it on the dirt track. See you in a minute, guys. Vantage UK.
Whoa! Straight off he goes. Where are you going? Just follow Evan. Oh, there it is. This thing is rapid. Whoa! Whoa!
Sorry.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
So, Ev, review, what do you reckon so far?
Really good.
Go.
Countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's basically as fast as Rita. It's basically as fast as Rita.
Whoa, flipping it. Whoa! Jeez, keep it away from us, pal. That'll break your ankle, mate. Goes! This is awesome fun.
Is there any way we can make this door burn out?
Yeah, just take it on full left and then just give it loads of beans. Stand out of the way.
Holy.
Donut! Whoa!
I could do that for ages.
We have absolutely abused this today. We have crashed it, rolled it, took it on a BMX track, took it on the tarmac, Pittville Park.
Did a massive burnout with it.
Yeah, we have like absolutely destroyed this thing today. And look, it still works. It still wants more. It still wants to go.
Yeah.
So yeah, absolutely highly recommended. It's a really good piece of kit.
Hi guys. So yeah, it was good with the 11.1 volt and it was good with the standard one. Anyway guys, goodbye.
Hey.